The global market for orbital action jigsaws is set to soar, with a projected value of $1.37 billion by 2035. This market, currently valued at $118.6 million, is experiencing a steady climb, driven by the construction and woodworking industries. From 2025 to 2030, we can expect a gradual expansion, with an average annual growth of 5.2 to 5.4%. This initial phase will see early adopters and steady growth. As the demand for precision cutting tools in residential and commercial projects takes off. But here's where it gets interesting. The market value accelerates significantly in the latter half of the forecast period, reaching $1.37 billion by 2035. This acceleration is fueled by increasing industrial and professional use, the growth of e-commerce distribution, and a shift towards high-performance jigsaws. The key to understanding this market's growth is its long-term value accumulation curve. It highlights a consistent and gradual increase in market revenues over the 2025 to 2035 horizon. The early years focus on establishing market share and technological credibility, while the later years see amplified gains due to broader adoption, product innovations, and expanding end-use applications. This pattern is crucial for stakeholders to optimize their strategies, ensuring sustainable growth and a competitive edge in the global orbital action jigsaw market. So what's driving this market's growth? Well, it's the rapid increase in construction activities worldwide and the need for cutting-edge tools that offer superior performance and mobility. Modern construction and woodworking projects demand consistent cutting quality and efficiency to meet high standards. Even the slightest inefficiency can impact the entire project. This is where orbital action jigsaws come into play, offering precision and versatility that traditional tools can't match. The market is segmented by product type: corded, cordless, application, furniture manufacturing, bathing decoration, and region. The corded segment leads with a 52% market share in 2025, thanks to its consistent power delivery and reliability. Furniture manufacturing is the largest application sector, accounting for 46% of the market, driven by the industry's need for precise cutting and efficient material processing. As for regions, China leads the pack with a 7.2% compound annual growth rate through 2035, followed by India at 6.6% and Germany at 6.1%. These countries are experiencing rapid infrastructure development, construction projects, and a growing awareness of advanced tool technologies. The market is also driven by the advancement of cordless battery technologies, offering higher power output and improved runtime. Modern orbital action jigsaw manufacturers are integrating precision cutting features such as variable orbital settings and optimized blade guidance systems to enhance performance and user experience. So, what are your thoughts on this market's growth and potential? Do you think the orbital action jigsaw market will continue to thrive? Or are there challenges and opportunities that we might be missing? Feel free to share your insights and predictions in the comments below.